this road I wanna follow, but it's the one I'm gonna take. And man, I'm gonna make it. I'm bound to make it, because this life's all I've ever known. Every town seems just a little bit smaller, and every water tower reminds me of my home, and them white lines are tattooed in my mind. Look, 'cause I was cursed at birth with my daddy's last name, born to be a rebel that they couldn't change. Now all I ever wanted to do was stand up here on this stage, and there's the feeling I get to hear the crowd scream. Some kind of addiction I just can't explain. Yeah, babe, I love to hear that guitar play.
It's bird 2, 2014. Wow. Oh, here he is, folks. Look at that. Beautiful Karnes County bird. Wow. And I've been fighting these birds forever. It's hard to get a shot, hard to get them to cooperate. Once they fly down off the roost, there's no telling where they're heading. Midday hunts aren't great over here. Evening hunts rarely happen, but this one happened. They, like I said, they came across the river, got them to fly across the river, which is extremely difficult. They're pretty stubborn down here. And he came right across with him and his buddies. They started beating on the Jake Decoy, and that's when I went ahead and drew and took my shot. Almost decapitated him again. Once again, hanging on by a thread, but wow, what a great bird. Full fan. I mean, he's got some really good spurs. I'd say a little over an inch. Good full beard. He's oh, look at them iridescents. Again, thank y'all for watching Boat Up Adventures. We're off to a great start down here in Texas.
Screaming some kind of addiction I just can't explain. Yeah.